Well, Wally here, guys. I think I'm going to move you. Good start, Wally. Good start. A little bit better, but not perfect, guys. Okay, so I'm going to come close. I had everything tidied for over here, but you're a little bit too close for that. Guys, welcome to Wally's world. Frankensaw. Let's troubleshoot. Okay, let me explain. Guys, the Frankensaw is the Husqvarna 365, okay, x-torq. My favourite saw, absolutely fantastic saw. I don't care what people say, oh, but it's not as special as an x-torq. Don't care, not one bit. Okay, so, the last time I had it out, it wouldn't run. It ran like a champ, and then it just went to run it, and it wouldn't run. And it wouldn't start, and I was like halfway up a mountain and everything was a disaster, and I was completely destroyed. And I haven't actually uploaded a video, well, I haven't recorded a video since, because I've just spent 10 days sick with the cold. Okay, so I think the splitting video where I was up the mountain, I think at that stage of the day I was just exhausted, and I think that was the cold coming on. Okay, so first things first, before we go any further, guys, I'm going to see if it'll start. So it'll probably start, then this video will be over. Just is awful stiff. Okay, well that is the same as before. To me, it's not firing, so I love that. That's handy, isn't it? That's and when I was up the mountain, I checked everything, guys, and that seemed to be all right. There's not a great amount of dirt. It could do with a clean, but I don't have you know, anything to clean it with here. As in, I don't have a gun or anything. I don't have a compressor. Sorry, Wooly, will you make sense? I don't have a compressor. Okay, so let's get this boot off. Change the spark plug. See if that makes any difference. I really am hoping it's just a spark plug, guys. It really would be a pain in my bum to have to take this away. I have to give this away. I do have 2, 4, 5 other saws, you know, but this is my favourite. I don't know. This is the one that was recommended, so this is what I got. Now here is the thing, right? This is what I was trying to explain on the live feed. Probably didn't come across that well because stuff sort of gets lost on the live feeds, guys. When I took the saw out of the back of the truck, this was all bent out of shape. So I think I might have got a knock in the back of the truck as well. So being dirty, is it? Here goes. A lot of fuel there. There's nothing happening. Feels like it should be something happening. Okay. Oh, it stinks of fuel, boy. Right. Could it be that this is dirty on the inside of the boot? Could that make a difference, guys? I don't even know how I'm going to show you that. It's in there. Maybe I'll scrape that a little bit. It's really hard to see. Tell you what I'll do. Now, so you guys were on about sparking it. I don't know who said that, guys. Sparking it. Sparking it like this. I should be able to see a spark. Okay. Do I need to turn it on for that? There's no spark. See that? Guys, hey, listen, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm going to try this, okay? So, I should be seeing a spark, I take it, but I don't see a spark, so... No? Okay. We give one more shot. Okay, so as per the notes that I took on the Friday, which is actually 2 weeks ago now at this stage, guys. If there's no spark with a new plug, it's the ignition coil, guys. I can't remember who gave me that bit of advice, okay? But that means to me, that seems now that we're at an ignition coil problem, or it could just be as simple as something like this. So I'll pop this off and we'll have a look. We'll give it one more shot, turn it on. Okay, it's not going to work. Right. Let's get this back on. Of course I can't find anything. No, I'm thinking all I have to do is just pop that out. There's my screwdriver. No, everything is connected in there like it's supposed to be. Okay, guys, that is the end of my very limited technical ability when it comes to chainsaws and stuff. So I am assuming now from your advice, guys, that it is an ignition coil issue. So what I want you to do, guys, is I want you to comment down below what you think, okay? New spark plug, no spark, okay? This is the old spark plug, okay? I'm not going to be able to zoom in. There you go. Guys, that's the old spark plug. So I am not up on these spark plug issues, and it's running too lean, or it's running what, and you know, whatever that means, guys. So but from with your help, guys, I think we can sort this out. So let me know what you think. It is Monday the 22nd of November, I might move this one. I might put this one to come out Wednesday, guys. This Wednesday coming, so I'll just move some videos around. Anyway, let me know. Let me know in the comments below, guys. This is super important. We get this done as quick as possible. Let's get Frankensaw fixed, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. It'd be better for Frankie Saw. Frankie Saw.